Hi everyone, it's week 9 in our Quilted Block series and this is our 4x4 hoop size design. You can head over to my website and download this week's free design. I'll link my website down in the description below the tutorial, and I'll also link another tutorial you can watch just in case you need a refresher course on how to place this block together. Can you believe we are already at week 9? Now, just in case you've missed some of the past designs that were free, they'll still be available for a minimal cost on my website. So if you still want to grab some of those are still purchasable over on my website. Enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you're enjoying our Quilted Block series.